So here's how we can make a normal video in a fast motion on the iPhone. Let me explain how it works. And if this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, if you have like a regular video captured through your iPhone camera, you can just go to the regular video mode and it's going to be captured in the original speed, right? Like there's nothing wrong with that. But if you want to turn it into like fast motion, like if you want to just speed things up, then you're going to need to use a video editor. Most likely it's going to be like a third-party app because, using the built-in solution, we don't have much control over the speed. So you can get something like CapCut where you have the ability to import the clip into the timeline, select the speed control, and then just basically dial up the speed. You can make it as much as 100x, so that's quite a lot actually. So you can literally just 100x of the original speed of the video, so it will most definitely end up in the fast motion. Of course, you can play around with it in a different pattern, so you don't have to linearly scale the speed up, but you can as well just play with the curves and make one part of the clip like speed it up, then you can slow it down, whatever. But the options are there, especially with this kind of video editor. So let me know if that's the thing you wanted to do. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.